Moon.
Alicia.
Hello. Good evening, Moon, and welcome to our class. How are you today?
I'm happy.
I'm happy. Wow, that's good to know. Did you already eat? Why the, did you
Yeah.
already eat? Yes. What did you eat for dinner?
I I eat fish, but
Fish.
we can eat it right.
Rice. Fish and rice.
Yeah.
Wow, so delicious. Okay, so are you ready for our test today? So to so today we have an test to
Gì
check.
đây? Nhìn thấy chưa? Nhìn thấy chưa? Gì đây? Đây nhưng mà con đã con chưa
so
nhìn thấy mặt lắm.
so today, Moon, so we have a test today to check all of your understanding with all of the things that we had learned last time. So we will
Thế.
check. Yes, test. We will check if you still remember each of the things that we had learned. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm
Ye-
ready.
Yes. Okay, so let's start. Let's start our test. So we will go to the part one of our test, which is all about vocabulary. So when we say vocabulary, Moon, so these are the words or the new words that we had learned previously. For example, the animals.
Hey, my name is Rarity.
Wow, my name is Berberty. What's that? Okay, so let's check if you still remember all of the vocabulary that we had learned. Okay, so we have here different kinds of animals. First, let's read.
Okay.
Okay, let's read.
A bird and
Bird.
parrot and fish, duck, pig, goose, buff,
Okay, one more.
and
Let's say goat.
goat,
Very
and
good. And
hmm,
what's that? How do we read this? It's hamster.
hamster
Very good.
and rabbit.
Okay, good job. So now let's take a look at each of the picture. What is
It is
that?
a hamster.
Very good. This is hamster. How about the second picture? What is that? This one is the turtle. Okay,
No,
very good. That is the hamster. How about this one?
it is a turtle.
Turtle. Very good. Can you write? Can you draw a line? Wow, good job. Next, how about this one? What
It is
is
a rabbit.
very good? Rabbit. Okay, draw a line. Very good. Next,
It
what
is
is
a
that?
pig.
Hey, good job. Okay, draw a line. Very good. How about this one? What is that?
It is a fish.
Fish. Very good. One more time. Let's see. Fish.
It is a fish.
Okay, one more time. Let's see. Fish, not fits. Fish. Yeah,
Fish.
very good. Good job. Fish. What kind of fish
And
is this? Do you still remember what
oh,
what is the name of this fish?
it is a bird.
A bird. Very good. This one
Not
first.
tiny bird.
This one first. Moon.
It is
This
fish.
yes. What is the name of this fish? What?
It can swimming, but fish it can eating animal.
Yes. So it can swim, but what is the name of this fish?
T-I it don't millis.
Yes. What with this one, this fish moon, remember, if you see a fish that is color orange, so we call it as goldfish. Yeah. What is the name of this fish? Gold.
Goldfish.
Very good. Okay, next is, what is this? Ta-da!
It is a bird.
Bird. How about this one?
It is a goat.
Goat. Okay. And the last animal, what is that?
Duck.
Very good. So those are the animals. I think this one is farm animals. So we have learned it last time in our lesson. Oh, this one is a pets. So these are the lessons. Yes, these are the
Like
animals.
a rabbit.
Yes, like a rabbit. Rabbit is a pet. These are the animals that we considered as pets. When we say pets, it is what we can take care of it in our houses. Okay. So next, very good. Good
Rat.
job. So you remember each name. How about in this one? Okay, so let's read. Let's read all of the
It's
words.
it's many birds.
Many bug, yeah. Okay, let's read first this one. What's this?
It is monkey.
Very good. Next.
Snake.
Next is.
Hmm.
Hmm,
What is that?
what is that? Okay, we read it as beetle.
It is a beetle.
Very good. Next.
What is that?
What is that? Rain forest.
Red forest.
Okay, next.
It
Jungle.
is jungle.
Okay, let's
And
start. Let's start this one. Let's start to this one. How do we read this?
hmm.
Hmm? How do we read this?
It is a beetle. And
Beetle.
jungle.
Beetle. Next one is.
Hmm. What's that?
What's that? Rain
Rain
forest.
forest.
Okay, let's start again with this one. What's
Beetle.
very,
Rainforest. Jungle.
very good.
Ants.
Next.
Bats. Tiger.
Very good. So now let's take a look at this first picture. What animal is that?
Is snake.
Snake. Very good. Next, what do we call that place?
Hmm. What is that, teacher?
What's that? What do we call that place? Is it rainforest or jungle?
It is rainforest.
Very good. This one is rainforest. So this is where these animals, yeah, that animals live. Okay, very good. How about this one? What animal is
It
this?
is a monkey.
Very good. Monkey. Next. What's that? Okay.
It is an ant.
And very good. Now draw a line. Very good. Next.
It is beetle.
Very good. This is a beetle. Next is. What's that?
It is tiger.
Tiger. How about this one? What is that? Hmm.
It
Very,
is.
very good. It is. What do we call this one? How do you read this word?
What is it?
Oh, what is it? Okay, again, let's say jungle, jungle, jungle.
Oh, jungle.
Very good. Again, what is this?
It is a jungle. And
Very
bats.
and bat. Last animal is bat. Very good. So this is from our lesson about rain forest. Okay, these are the different animals that lives in the rainforest. So we have snake, monkey, ant, beetle, tiger, and bat. And also in the rainforest, it is where we can see.
It's makes the beetle small and but that.
Yes, very good. Beetles are small. Look at this picture. This one. This is the beetle. It's very small and it is scary.
And it is scary. But
Yes.
but it is little and but very scary.
Yes. It's little but it's
I like
scary.
a butterfly.
Oh, you like the butterfly, this one. Wow, you
Yeah,
saw it. Yes, I like
it's
butterflies
so
too.
small. Teacher, do you like butterfly?
Yes, I like butterfly. Okay,
A
one more time.
butterfly.
One more time, I say butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yes, very good. Again, how do you say the name of this animal? What's the name of this animal? This one. This little animal. This color blue animal. What is that? What's that? Is it a butterfly? What's that? It's a
It's a
butterfly.
butterfly.
Very good. So these are the things
I
that
like
we
butterfly.
I like butterflies too. Okay, so that's it. Next, so we have here different kinds of animals in what is this one? Yeah. Okay. These are the animals that we can see in the plains. Okay, these are plain animals. And actually, this is a mix of two different lessons. So we have here plain animals, and we have here
It's a rat.
spring. Okay, very good. The first one is
And the fox.
giraffe. What's this?
Flower.
Ah,
And fox. And
uh,
flower.
okay, one more time.
Ball.
One more time. Let's say fox, not fox.
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 Very good. Next.
It is red.
Wow, so fast. Again, let's say this one. What is this?
It is flower. Ball.
Next.
And red.
How about
It's
this one?
giraffe.
Ah, is it a giraffe also? Are you sure?
No, it is big.
Yes, it is big. What is the name of that animal? So, looking at the giraffe.
What is that?
Oh, it's a rabbit. Is it a rabbit?
And what is that?
It's also a rabbit. Okay, this one. Let's go back to this one, this
And what
animal.
is that?
Wow, many rabbits. How about
It
this
is
one?
green rabbit.
How about this one, Moon? What is the name of this animal? Is it a
It is a
giraffe?
rat and
A-
ostrich.
Are you sure this is a giraffe?
No.
Oh,
Yes.
oh no, this is not the giraffe. This is the giraffe. It's color brown and white. This one is color black and white. So it's not a giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck.
A zebra.
Very good. This one is a
An
zebra.
ostrich.
Okay,
And crocodile.
okay, one more
Remember.
time. How do you read this one? How do you read the name of
It is
this?
ostrich.
Okay, one more time. Let's say ostrich.
Ostrich.
Okay, one more time. Ostrich.
Ostrich.
Very good. So that is ostrich. Next is,
And crocodile.
okay, one more time. Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Very good. Next,
And rainbow.
very good. So rainbow. So this one, this is the mix lesson that we have. These are the plain animals. So these animals. This one is what we can see in the spring.
And
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's have another set of vocabularies that we had learned last time. So, looking at this picture, Moon, what is this? What is
Of
that?
is sand and coral.
Very good.
Onion!
Sand. This one is? What's this? What is this? Hmm. What's that? What is this? This is moon. What is this? What's in the picture? Hmm. What's that? Again, what is the name of this picture? Hello. Muni, muni, muni. What is
And
this?
a corn.
Very good. How about this one?
It's onion.
Onion. How about this one? Is this flowers?
No.
No.
Is
How?
that teacher?
Oh, you forgot? Okay, we see
Ah,
a
it is starfish. Oh
starfish.
no. No.
Okay, so I will give you some choices. Is it coral, seaweed,
Sh-
or starfish?
Coral.
Coral, seaweed, or starfish? What is this?
Coral.
Very good. These are
It's
core.
coral.
Very good. Coral. Next is?
It's a coral.
Yes, it is a coral. How about this one?
It is starfish.
Starfish. Okay, what do we call this
And
place? What is the place where we can see a lot of sea animals? Hmm. What is that place where we can see a lot of sea
it is
animals? Is
animal.
yes.
But
Is it is it water or is it ocean?
it is ocean.
Okay, very good. This is the ocean. How about this one? What is
It
that?
is. Teacher,
Is
what is that?
oh, you forgot. Is this I will give you a choice. Is it a coral or is it a seaweed?
Teacher,
Oh,
it is seaweed.
very good. So seaweed again,
And
remember.
it is. Oh, what is that?
Okay, wait. So
It
when
is crop.
very good. So wait,
Next time
let's
it's crop.
okay, so let's remember first this one. So when we say seaweed, moon, so in the ocean or under the sea, so these are the plants. Plants that we can see under the sea. So the coral, so it is an animal in the sea. Coral. So it is colorful animals. How about this one again?
And
What is
it is
this?
crop.
Okay, one more time. Let's say crab.
Crop.
Crab, not quab. Crab.
Crop.
Crab. Crab.
Crop.
Crab.
Crop.
Very good. How about this one?
It's tomato.
Very good. Tomato, your favorite. This is your favorite, right? Favorite
I
vegetable.
eat tomato.
Yes, you eat tomato. Okay, so now let's have our new set.
And moon.
Moon. Oh, is it? It's you. It's Moon.
In Yemen.
How about this one? What is this? Hmm. What's that in the picture? Hmm. Is it the leaf? Is it a leaf? Acorn? Garden? Pumpkin? Rake? Or sunshine? What is in the picture? Is it acorn? Leaf? Garden? pumpkin, rake, or sunshine? What is that?
It is sunshine.
Very good. Again, let's say sunshine.
Sunshine.
Okay, one more time. Let's say shine.
Sunshine.
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 Not shine. Not shine. Shine.
Sunshine.
Very good. Sunshine. How about this one? What is that?
It is a beach.
Very good. It's the
I like
beach.
swimming in a beach.
I like swimming in the beach. Also, I also love swimming. How about this one? Is it also the beach? Is it?
No.
No.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, it's garden.
What is it? This is a
Oh, it is garden.
very good
I
garden. This is
it's I like play, but it's I like play swimming in a garden.
yes. This one. What is this?
It is trash.
It's
Trash. Yeah.
truck.
Trash.
What is a truck?
Trash is it is
It is. Okay, again. So this one is rake, not
right.
truck. Rake.
Rake.
Yes. So this is what we use to clean the leaves that falls down in the fall season. So like this. So it cleans the leaves. Okay. How about this? What is that? Is that a nut?
It is
Peanut? Is that a peanut?
hmm.
Hmm. Is
No.
no.
It is
What is that? Do you
hmm.
do you still remember what is the name of that thing?
Teacher, what is that?
Okay. So we call it as acorn.
It's I call
Acorn. One more time, let's say acorn, not acorn. Acorn.
acorn.
Very good. Yes, it is an acorn. This is what acorn. This is what squirrels
Oh no.
eat. How about this one?
It is a pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Very good. It is pumpkin. How about this one? What is this? Hmm.
A leaf.
A
Leaf.
leaf. Very good. This is a
Leaf.
leaf. Okay, so those are the things that we had learned last time. Those are the things. So for this one, Moon, so I think so we will just continue this test or examination next time in our next class. So make sure to review. So I will send this presentation to our group chat for you to be able to practice. Okay?
Wow.
Wow. Okay, so we will continue this next time. Okay? Okay, so goodbye for now, Moon. And see you again soon. Thank you so much for your time today. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much. See you again soon.
再见.
Jiaqian. Oh, is it bye bye in Chinese? Jiaqian.
Wow, it hurt. Wow, it hurt.
Do you want a flower? I will
Yeah.
show you. Shh.
Wow.
Wow. Okay. So
If
goodbye.
goodbye.
See you again soon.
Ah, oh, red.
It's a bye bye,
Okay,
Moon.
boy and girl.
See you.